In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount, saving you money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on select annual plans. You'll even save more than what you see being listed here on the Hostinger plans page, so be sure to watch till the end of the video so you can save the most money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostinger discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger web hosting plans page. Click the Claim Deal button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger hosting plans. You'll get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code. The single plan is a good plan if you're going to have one website. The plan comes with 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, one email account. This plan doesn't include a free domain name and doesn't include free domain whos privacy protection. The premium plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage. This plan includes a free domain name with annual terms and free domain whos privacy protection. The business plan comes with 100 websites, increased performance by up to 5 times, 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, a bunch of managed WordPress extras, extras with the Hostinger website builder, and extras with security. If you need even better performance, the Cloud Startup plan is a great plan to go with. Click the Add to Cart button on the plan you want. I'll choose the single plan for this tutorial. Now let's save even more than what you see being listed here. Scroll down to the Total section. Click Have a Coupon Code. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. I'll click Apply. I'll scroll up to the top and you'll now see the new Hostinger discount amount showing for all the terms. The free domain name or any domain name purchases are done after payment in the Hostinger panel. Enjoy your Hostinger coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.